Hey everyone, this is Kevin with Skylab Flight Systems, and right now what I'm going to show you is just a quick how-to for a product from a friend of mine who I met on RC groups. His name is his username is Paulie M. There on RC groups. His real name is Paul, and what Paul is doing is Paul is producing some plug-and-play LED lights. Um, for those of us that are either not able to put together an LED system for our copter, or we are just too lazy to do it ourselves. Whatever you want to say. Um, what he is selling right now are strobes. So these are always strobing. They are not constant ons. But he has a project for he's working on a project that he hopes to finish up soon, that will allow you guys to buy plug and play constant on LEDs. So right now the product I'm going to show you is his Strobon system. I ordered 2 pairs, and I got, this is what was in the package. 2 units like this, and then the actual LEDs. Okay, sorry, I'll move my hand. These are the LEDs. Okay, these things only plug in one way. I just want to show you. You can't plug it in the wrong way. So it plugs in just like this. Oh, look, that's the wrong way. So flip it over and slide it in, and it'll make a positive connection. Okay, and now it's ready. This goes into your receiver. I want to tell everybody that the light orange wire on top is your signal wire, and you can figure that out by looking at this. It gives the little diagram. The quality of these lights and this light assembly is really amazing. He has shrink wrapped it. The soldering is very clean, and you know, it's a great little product. So what you're going to do, depending on where you're installing those, is you're going to have to run those. Now I have here my T600 G aircraft from Lotus RC, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to have 1 pair on the front booms and then a 2nd pair on the rear booms. So what I'll do is I'm going to flip the copter over, and I'm going to take this set, and I'm actually, now that I'm looking at this, I might have to disassemble my copter, but in the end, what I will end up with is I will end up with 1 motor, or one pair running through here, and it's going to come out. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to use 2-sided tape to attach mine right here underneath the motor. Now it's going to be away from the motor, and it's not going to be part of the spinning, so it's not going to get, you know, it's not going to hurt it. They make this 2-sided tape, 3M does, and it comes in these little squares that you can see here, which are almost the perfect size for the LED. What I will actually do is I'll trim it up, and then I can I'll mount it probably right here, so that the landing gear isn't blocking it, or it doesn't pinch it, etc. So you know, that's pretty much how you do it, how you're going to run it. Everybody's copter is different, of course, so how you run it is up to you. Then what you'll do, once you've run it through each arm, you'll plug in then this, making sure you've got the connection nice and tight, and that'll probably be coming up through the center hub somewhere, and I'll just push mine up through there just to show you. So you'll make this, you'll take that, and then you'll plug it into a spare spot on your receiver. Okay, That's pretty simple. What I'll do then, just for right now, is I'm just going to set mine in place right here on each boom. In fact, I'll wrap it just to make sure that it doesn't fall. And then, I'm going to put it right there, just so it stays in place. And I'm going to do the same thing with this one. It's just for display, just to show. Each installation is going to be different, of course, and all dependent upon the user. So then that's the first set. The second set, again, it's going to come up through this center hub, and you may not have a whole lot of room to wiggle with, depending on how you ordered it. Plug it in, make sure you have a positive connection, and then again plug it into your receiver. Okay, I'm going to do that. Plugged into the receiver, and just for giggles, I'm going to run each one. I wouldn't ever run them like this on practical. I will hide the wires. That way there's no potential for damage, or less potential for damage, I guess. I can't ever say none. And then, once you have them where you want them, the only thing that's left to do is you'll program your radio as you see fit. What I'm just, for a demonstration here, I am going to plug them in. And I have green and red on the back and green on the front. They work really well. In fact, why don't I kill the lights and we'll have just a quick look. So it's going to be really nice once I actually get these mounted in place and I get my copter up in the air. I'll do a supplemental video just to show you guys what it looks like in the air, or maybe I'll just do some photos, but whatever. So here's a quick 8-minute thing on how it works and how simple it can be. I hope it's helpful, and just want to say thank you guys for watching, and hit Paulie up on RC groups, do a search on the classifieds, or you can look for a review that I've posted on there that has photos as well. Thanks guys, and fly safe and enjoy the hobby.